Is your church adequately protected? When it comes to insurance, understanding the difference between actual cash value and replacement cost is really important when it comes to your church's roof. Meet Arnold. He's on the finance committee at his church, and they are reviewing their insurance policy. They're discussing a very important topic, making sure that they have the right coverage in case of damage to their property. Let's break down these two terms. Actual cash value factors in depreciation. Imagine your church's roof is 15 years old. With actual cash value, the insurance company would consider the roof's age and wear and tear and pay you less than the cost of a brand new roof. This means that your church could be left with a significant financial gap after a claim, having to pay out of pocket to fully replace or repair the damaged property. Now let's look at replacement cost. This type of policy ensures that you receive enough money to replace damaged property with new items of similar quality. This means no depreciation is considered. If your 12-year-old roof gets damaged, the insurance company will cover the cost of a brand new roof. But why would any church choose actual cash value? Well, some churches might opt for actual cash value due to budget constraints, or if their building is very old and they wouldn't need to rebuild to the same size. It might also be a consideration if the building uses outdated materials that would be expensive to replace. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your church's specific needs and goals. It's important to work with an experienced insurance agent who understands the complexities of church insurance. They can help you assess your situation and find a customized solution that provides the right level of protection. Don't leave your church's future to chance. Make sure you have the right coverage to protect your ministry and ensure a smooth recovery in case of the unexpected. Give the church insurance specialist at Insurance for Texans a call today.